U.S. Vice President Mike Pence on Sunday abruptly walking out of an NFL game, but leaving the media to wonder whether his surprise move had in fact been staged. It all played out like this. Pence early in the day tweeting a photo saying he and his wife were looking forward to cheering on their home team, Indianapolis Colts, and honoring former star quarterback Peyton Manning, whose number was being retired. But the two, along with their daughter, quickly bolted after some members of the opposing San Francisco 49ers refused to stand during the national anthem. Pence explaining on Twitter he left the game because President Trump and I will not dignify any event that disrespects our soldiers, our flag, or our national anthem. Less than an hour after his statement, the White House released this photo of Pence and his wife standing during the song. The speed with which it was released among the morsels that left media pundits wondering if the walkout had been planned. Reports also saying at least one journalist who asked to accompany Pence into the stadium was told to remain in a van outside because the vice president might be leaving early. The Indianapolis Star also noting that the photo from Pence's early tweet was actually taken from a game he attended and tweeted from in 2014 and not taken at Sunday's Colts-49ers matchup. After Pence's walkout, he flew to a planned fundraiser in L.A., with President Trump quickly tweeting, "I asked VP Pence to leave the stadium if any players kneeled, disrespecting our country. I am proud of him and Second Lady Karen."